Oh, there you go. You can hear.
Don't you dare mention what those sound like.
Little puffs of energy coming out of the spout of that jet outhouse, folks.
Oh my.
It's fair to say that Portojet doesn't handle that well.
I can imagine.
In fact, it drives a bit like an outhouse, said Paul Stender, 43, who created the machine. There's the fire.
Hey, that's coming out of the top, though. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm confused.
Now I see the outhouse shaking back and forth now.
Whoa! Okay, that's what happens when you have too many burritos.
Oh, clearing the pipes out.
Oh my goodness. The jet-powered outhouse. Absolutely incredible.
He says with a good tailwind, it can reach up to 70 miles per hour,
But why
which really isn't bad for a toilet.
I wonder if it's low flow.
The notes here said it took him a week and $10,000 to create this speeding outhouse.
Is everybody sitting here?
Oh, there you got some flame.
Some smoke.
Boy, you don't want to stand behind that one.
It actually plays a tune.
I'm speechless.
Somewhere.
Oh, this is good. I'm sorry. WestJet 737, the folks are going, wow, we're glad to be in Abbotsford, and they look out the right side window, and what do they see? A fire-breathing porta potty.